Did it work? Still saying I'm coming. Okay, well that one's working. Why is this one still saying upcoming? Motherfucker. It's not working. Shoot, I might have screwed this up and connected it to the wrong one. Ah. Yeah, because earlier I tried to connect Restream to the to this one, so I might have fudged up the trigger for it. How's the debate going? Are they streaming it? Is it entertainment? Damn. How the hell do I get this to run? Because I can't do this. Duplicate stream. Yeah, like if I remove this. And I go here. Try this. And then I go to... How do you just go live? What the fuck? Stream. Nightmare. It's really not doing shit. Flip vertical. Vertical settings. Streaming. Yes, enabled. How do I go live? Yeah. It refuses to work. Some bitch. Alright. Forget it. I'll go on YouTube Shorts live feed without it. They're crazy in their own ways. Yeah, I bet. What was it streaming on? Debate stream. Let's see if we can catch a little bit of it.
We begin with you.
So I think you've heard tonight two very different visions for our country. One that is focused on the future, and the other that is focused on the past, and an attempt to take us backward. But we're not going back. And I do believe that the American people know we all have so much more in common than what separates us, and we can chart a new way forward. And a vision of that includes having a plan, understanding the aspirations, the dreams, the hopes, the ambition of the American people, which is why I intend to create an opportunity economy, investing in small businesses, in new families, in what we can do around protecting seniors, what we can do that is about giving hardworking folks a break and bringing down the cost of living. I believe in what we can do together. That is about sustaining America's standing in the world and ensuring that we have the respect that we so rightly deserve, including respecting our military and ensuring we have the most lethal fighting force in the world.
Yeah,
I will be a president that will protect our fundamental rights and freedoms, including the right of a woman to make decisions about her own body and not have her government tell her what to do. I'll tell you, I started my career as a prosecutor. I was a DA, I was an attorney general, a United States senator, and now vice president. I've only had one client, the people. And I'll tell you, as a prosecutor, I never asked a victim or a witness, are you a Republican or a Democrat? The only thing I ever asked them, are you okay? And that's the kind of president we need right now. Someone who cares about you and is not putting themselves first. I intend to be a president for all Americans and focus on what we can do over the next 10 and 20 years to build back up our country by investing right now in you, the American people.
Vice President Harris, thank you. President Trump?
So she just started by saying she's going to do this, she's going to do that, she's going to do all these wonderful things. Why hasn't she done it? She's been there for 3.5 years. They've had 3.5 years to fix the border. They've had 3.5 years to create jobs and all the things we talked about. Why hasn't she done it? She should leave right now, go down to that beautiful White House, go to the Capitol, get everyone together and do the things you want to do, but you haven't done it, and you won't do it because you believe in things that the American people don't believe in.
Wuss.
You believe in things like we're not going to frack, we're not going to take fossil fuel, we're not going to do things that are going to make this country strong, whether you like it or not. Germany tried that, and within 1 year they were back to building normal energy plants. We're not ready for it. We can't sacrifice our country for the sake of bad vision. But I just ask one simple question. Why didn't she do it? We're a failing nation. We're a nation that's in serious decline. We're being laughed at all over the world. All over the world, they're laughing. I know the leaders very well. They're coming to see me. They call me. We're laughed at all over the world. They don't understand what happened to us as a nation. We're not a leader. We don't have any idea what's going on. We have wars going on in the Middle East. We have wars going on with Russia and Ukraine. We're going to end up in a third world war, and it'll be a war like no other because of nuclear weapons, the power of weaponry. I rebuilt our entire military. She gave a lot of it away to the Taliban. She gave it to Afghanistan. What these people have done to our country, and maybe toughest of all, is allowing millions of people to come into our country. Many of them are criminals, and they're destroying our country. The worst president, the worst vice president in the history of our country.
President Trump, thank you. And that is our ABC News presidential debate from here in Philadelphia at the National Constitution Center.
That was it?
I'm Lindsay Davis.
I missed
and
it.
I'm David Muir. Thank you for watching here in the U.S. and all over the world, and from all of us here at ABC News.
Oh,
Good night.
Short, I guess. Well, that was
welcome back to NBC News.
All right. What have we learned? Nothing. Not a goddamn thing. You know what? I don't talk about politics. There you go. You know, there's such like macro feelings about the world, and then there's such like micro feelings about the world, right? Like right now I have very micro feelings. I'm really worried about my house, my kids and their school, you know. I'm worried about Indy, you know, being able to make it through another lunch, saving more money. And then there's the macro problems that's like nobody else wants to take care of it, you know? So you gotta trust these idiots. Well, what are you gonna do? You know? We can't all live off the grid in Alaska and catching our own food, gardening, raising livestock. you know, getting through the winters with our bearskin rugs and building stuff with our hands, cutting down wood every day. Not thinking about anybody else or any other thing except for like who you're gonna trade your moose meat with. That's what I'm talking about. That's how everybody was back then, you know? Way back when. But now we're all connected. That shit's boring. Whoop. Where's my character? Uh-oh. Sure seems like an issue. Alright. Enough of that. Back to the game. Oh. I finished the game. Well, I finished the minigame. Yeah, I think what we were trying to do was trying to get the image for the legend for the binary. That was what we were trying to do. So let's get into that. Oh man. Yeah, so our main issue we were having before was the there's an error. And it's with this. So I'm guessing that minigame type is not giving me what I thought it was supposed to. So actually let's redo that. Let's var dump this nut and see what we're getting. You know what? Let's be cool today. Let's do something cool. Something that I don't usually do. Let's use xdebug. You want to see how to do that? It's a very helpful tool. Especially on the PHP side. I mean, mostly on the PHP side. What it does is, let's make sure it's on. I think it's going, right? Tools. No, I don't need a live link. Where's my xdebug? Connect. Blueprints. Add-ons. Installed. Oh shit. What happened? What happened to my xdebug? I guess I have to reinstall it. Well, okay, let's do that. Very weird. Relaunch that. Yeah, and basically what it does is you put little points in the code and it'll stop. And then it'll tell you all the information you have available at that point. And then you can really debug issues you're having with variable outputs and stuff. Ooh, I have an update. Luckily with the new computer, I can do as many updates as I want. My old computers can't handle new updates. Sad. Yes. I already reinstalled it once. I mean, restarted it once, so go for it. Studio light. That lighting better? This is the FaceTime auto lighting. Or is that better? I feel like when it's off, it's more natural. Alright, let's see what we got. We're live. Come join. See if anybody saw that. Alright, well, oh yeah, let's see if we got the add-on working. Yes, we do. Okay, so basically what this is going to do is allow me to use xdebug on my local site. And here I'll turn it on. Doop, 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 doop. Ooh, 6.6.2 is out. Maybe some other time. Okay. Alright. So now that it's on, what you do is, you see this little bug here? This will turn on XDebug so I can start listening to it. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little stopper point right here and see what the nut. Actually, I guess I should do it here. And then I'll be able to see what's going on. It also requires an extension. XDebug. New computer. XDebug. Chrome. Shoot, I don't know which one to use. I guess I'll try this one. Has been added. Alright, let's try this out. So now we'll go back to my local here. What's going to happen is, when I have this on, it's not on. It won't turn on. Let's refresh. What? Incoming connection from XDebug. Manually. Accept. Accept. I don't know. I don't know. How do I do this? What the hell? Incoming. I guess I'll just do that. Okay. Okay, good. Now I can turn it on. Refresh. What the hell? Configure local path. Accept. Oh, okay. That worked. Why is it going there? Wait, am I in Orbem order? Yeah, yeah. Okay. Alright, let's continue. I'll say it right now, but I'm not like great with XDebug. Oh, here we go. Okay, so now I refreshed the page. It loaded my local, and now it's telling me all the information that it got. You see all these little things here. So at this point, it's outputting the ID, post offer, post date, blah, 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 blah. And so what I notice right now is minigame. Minigame ID is right there. So let's go one step forward. I did not mean to step into. Let's get out of that. I want to go the next step. Step over. Ah, shit. Hold on, let's get back to my function. Come on. I guess maybe I should have just put the stop elsewhere. Yeah. Okay, let's just resume. Resume. Okay, let's try this again. Oops. Okay. Yeah, it opened all this. I did not mean to do that. What I wanted to do was this. Concatenate. Yes. That is how you can concatenate strings together. Alright, let's try it again. We're gonna go bloop. It's gonna load my IDE open. Oh yeah, it's broken now. Come on, buddy. Get me back. Wait, what? What happened to my thing? Oh. Oh. No, I don't need that. Okay, let's stop this. Stop all. Okay. Stop. Stop, 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 stop. Okay, let's restart. I want to see what this gets. Alright. We are here. Right? Yeah, so you can see in here, minigame type is an error. Ooh, that would be why. Is that not the taxonomy name? I bet that's not the right taxonomy name. That would explain it. Explore minigame type. Ah, see? Debugged. I now know that this is an error. So now I can just stop all that, turn this off, stop all that. And then now I can turn this back on when I want to. So for now I can keep this off. And boom. No more error. Oh, were your chats not popping up before? That's weird. F and restream, man. Now that I have access to the API, maybe I'll just create my own stream chat. Maybe. Okay, let's see what we're getting in the minigame. I need that image, which is going to show up where? Oh, computer chip? No. Where did I say that was going to show up? It's supposed to show up. Let's go back to terminal. Yeah, I was trying to var dump this. Oh, minigame programming. Right. It's false if empty. Should probably check what that's going to be again. Minigame. Minigame. Dude, it is Nat Central right now. I'm so frustrated with these guys. What I said it was, your cousin does... Oh, he lives in Alaska. Or they live in Alaska. He added a console log MailChimp ready to my code. You must have that. Very important for your code to have MailChimp ready. Just to make you, you know, feel a little bit more comfortable. That's fantastic. I love that. Alright. So obviously this is not outputting, right? So that means that this is false. And that this is not working. So let's turn Xdebug back on. And let's check what this is again. Shoom, 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 shoom. Continue. Continue. Take me to my code. Okay, that didn't work. Try again. Okay. So now I'm getting a term. And we're going in here. Good. Perfect. And the problem that I'm seeing now is this should be slug. I always get that wrong. Okay. So that's right now. So now this should work. Pop. Let the whole shabeel go through. And let's try to load this again. We'll disable this though. Yeah, Xdebug is a little annoying for like small troubleshooting, but you're not sure if you say this one, but you also said the only politics I talked about is pizza. That is good politics. Pizza. Yeah, I have strong feelings about pizza. Just kidding. I really don't. I like honestly, when it comes to food, I like everything. You know, I've never been a picky eater. You know, even the things I don't like, if I like something else about the food, I'll eat it just because I can, you know, compartmentalize and I can appreciate the part I do like. That's why moms and grandmas love me. I'll eat all your food, no matter how weird, foreign, bad it is. I like airplane food. I like it all. I like being fed. You know, I have to do all the cooking in my house, mostly, and anytime I'm being fed somewhere, you know, is a big treat for me. So I can appreciate it, and I'm not too picky. Minigame. Here we go. We got it. Minigame programming. Woo! Okay, so now we should easily be able to get the image. We'll do this again. Boo. Minigame type. It's not post content. Description. Alright, see if that works. I don't really know if it's just going to output with an image, but what's in here? Oh, it's a link to an image. Why is that a link? Did I put a link? I didn't think I did. Oh, yeah, I guess I did. Oh, I think it automatically links to images. Yeah, that's dumb. This is the old WYSIWYG editor. Pretty cool. Wait, what? 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 What was this? This was a minigame type. Wait, what happened? What happened to minigame type? Oh, that's mission. I'm stupid. Excuse me. Doing the thing where it doesn't show me messages again. Oh, never mind. What is going on? You having message issues? Is it not? Is it showing up in the normal chat? I wonder. Let's see.
Sometimes I do. Sometimes I do.
No. I think it's showing everything. At least everything that's in my chat. Try again. Doop. Badoop. Cool. It looks like it's working though. The HTML's outputting completely fine, which is great. And now we can show our legend. There it is. Fantastic. Okay. So now that we have the legend, we need to add the text part. Let's get rid of that. So yeah, this is part of the programming junk. So basically I just need... You tore your leg muscle during a lockdown drill and it hurts. Ouch. Lockdown drill. That sounds horrifying. The multiverse is real. Look at my portals. I do love the extreme repeats that breeds. That's a cool background. All right. So we have to stop fucking around. I need to figure out how the hell am I going to do this? See, the one thing that's a problem with the mini games are that they're very specific. And if this was going to be an RPG for the masses, like a game engine, you know, creating these mini games in here like this, you know, it's going to be a little annoying. I mean, that's why I'm categorizing them, you know, as types. So like you can make it a mini game programming type or whatever. But it's a very specific mini game, you know. I guess you could change the legend and make it like a riddle or something, but then why would it be called programming? So anyways, I'm not going to think about that now, but so let's hard code this. Basically what I need is an input field, and I kind of want it to be more like a text area because it's more programmy, right? Like it's like a big area you can type into. And then I need to make it so when you're focused into this text area, you know, you're not moving your character or anything like that. You can type whatever you want. Even though it's just gonna be ones and zeros, but I guess it's gonna be limited to ones and zeros now that I think about it. Can you do number text areas? Is that a new HTML5 tag? Integer text area. HTML. HTML. See, that's number. Number area. You're gonna update your Twitch app? Why does it keep not sending my messages? I don't know. That's really weird. Text area, but just for numbers. How to limit the text area to only hold numbers? Yes. Wide support. Yes, I know the type number. But how do you make it like fat and tall? jQuery. Size 30? I guess I could just try it with size. See if that works. Motherfuckers, dude. They're like flying on my mic. It's like 4 of them. You son of a bitch. Alright, so we'll do input, type, number, size, 30, value, nothing. Just a bunch of kids sitting in a corner quietly, and the teacher has to turn off the lights and lock the door. And in the drill, someone just comes around, knocks on the door, and then opens it and tells us that they can see us. But if it's a real lockdown, it most likely means shooter in the building. Correct. Yeah, it's kind of sad you guys have to do those kind of shooter drills nowadays. Yeah, I mean, honestly, it's really sad. You know, the whole school shooter phenomena is a weird, perpetual cycle of sadness. You know what I mean? Like, one school shooter begets another school shooter. And as a society, we can't not make it massive news because usually kids are dying, right? But, you know, our fascination with death and the celebrity that we give these shooters just makes it so all the other losers that are like, my life is meaningless, nobody knows who I am, I want to kill myself. Hey, screw that. I'm not just going to kill myself. I'm going to go out as a celebrity, you know? And I'm going to kill a bunch of people on the way out. So they have nothing to lose. They're going to die anyways, you know what I mean? Because they're suicidal. Or they're just sociopaths. I don't know. There's multiple types of people. But that's the one that I really have an issue with is, I mean, like, how do you stop that? How do you stop making it enticing for troubled youth with access to guns? How do you stop them from wanting to become famous and possibly die because they don't care, or just get arrested and, you know, whatever, go to jail forever and just get tortured somewhere else? But at least you got that celebrity, right? Yeah, and I mean the people that are doing it don't have fully developed brains, you know what I mean? They don't get that long-term thought process. And they're going to be tried as adults every time. They have to be. It's an adult crime, you know? There's no way around it. And, yeah. You obviously have to blame the parents. Just like the most recent school shooter, in, I think it's Georgia or something. You know, the dad's getting tried just with the kid, you know? He's getting in just as much trouble for giving him a gun. I mean, there's some extenuating circumstances where, like, he really knew that kid was crazy already, you know what I mean? And he still gave him a gun. But yeah, I just don't. It's sad. It's just sad all around. And then you guys, the normal kids, have to deal with the aftermath, you know? Yeah, it's sad. And I hope we figure it out, you know? Because, I mean, guns aren't going anywhere. It's America. You know, in Fiji, guns are illegal. I went there on my honeymoon, and everyone walks around with machetes, you know, the cops and the people, and it's a brutal way to fight with machetes, but yeah, I can't say crimes have gone down, but there's definitely not mass shootings in Fiji. That's good. Yeah. Is the school that goes through the metal detectors and stuff? That's crazy. I mean, that's sad in itself. I thought my school was sad, you know, that they got rid of lockers because kids got caught with not weapons, but like not guns, but like knives and stuff in their lockers. But they have to go through metal detectors and like it's cool being secure, but fuck, man. Like all the precautionary stuff that you guys have to have at your schools now. And I mean, I know it depends where you are. I mean, my kid's school isn't like that at all. You know, they don't have major security measures, but they do the drills still, you know, to like, what do? You know, they all lock the door, they get on the desk, they all have to be quiet and wait to be let out. And yeah, I mean, it's cool to be prepared. It's just a really sad time where kids have to be scared to go to school, or parents have to be afraid that their kids are going to school, even a little bit. And the problem is that school shootings are really rare, super rare. I mean, the statistics of how many schools there are not getting shot, you know, in a year versus how many school shootings there are, it's extremely rare to happen. But it seems like it happens every day, because that's the fascination part. The news outlets, they just have to cover it because it is a big story, and it's a super tragic story. But it makes it feel like every school in the country is gonna get attacked, when there's states where it doesn't happen at all, you know. But there's crazy people everywhere, so anything could happen at any time, right? So how do you live? What, you just gotta live in fear forever? I mean, you can't. You know, we have a rule in programming. It's really weird to bring it back to programming, but when we're, you know, pointing a ticket, you know, we're you know, gauging how complex a ticket's going to be. We only point for happy path, the optimistic path, right? Like, you can't point a task for what could go wrong, because you don't know what's going to go wrong, right? So if we always pointed tickets for the extreme wrong part, like, oh, well, I don't know, maybe this could happen, maybe this could happen, maybe this is more complex because of this, then you could never have consistency, and you'll never be able to, you know, get through the task, you know, accurately, because you're pointing for unknowns. And we don't do that. We point for what we know, and, you know, hoping that everything goes correctly, and because that's what we know. We know what should go right and what should happen. I mean, it's just like life, you know? How do we get the programming? Yeah, I'm saying we have to live life the same way. Happy path. You can't always, you know, try to be prepared for everything that can go wrong. You know what I mean? Then you're wasting half of your life preparing for something that might never happen. You know what I mean? Like, I'm all about saving money and planning for the future. That's different. But I mean, like, make sure you have, like, the craziest security system in the world. Make sure you have all the guns in every window and door. Make sure you have bars on your windows. Make sure, you know, you have sensors all over your yard and cameras everywhere. It's like, but you've never been robbed, and no one, you know, there's not really any crime in your neighborhood. It's like, yeah, and then you meteor proof, you know, fucking roof, and like, what's not, like, you can't just prepare for everything that's gonna go wrong. You know, it's excessive, and that's no way to live life. 20 security guards roaming around the school with guns. Yeah, that's terrifying. You know what I mean? Like, what are they expecting? They're expecting the militia, terrorists, to come and attack the school, like 50 guys or something. It's like, I like being prepared. I like being safe. But security guards aren't the way, man. Security guards are human. That's terrifying. Because security guards they're people with biases, you know? And with that much power around a bunch of kids. Like, no way. That's terrifying. Like, I'm all about extra sensors and early notification systems and that kind of stuff. Like, that's cool. You know, let's use the tools, and we'll, you know, the data will make sense, but can't just have 20 extra humans running around making decisions, life or death decisions for kids. That's freaking nuts. And I've never heard of that. Like, what the hell, man? That's crazy. We need a button. You've seen 50 cameras. What the hell? Where is your school, man? Did you guys have a school shooting there or something? A couple times or something? Like, what happened? That's an amazing amount of security. Let's do... actually... Yeah, let's put a wrapper around this. Ash equals... input section. That way we can separate it from the legend. Legend, man, that's legend. Your cousin said a security guard has a rifle. Yeah, that's excessive. Super. Return. I want to make the button look like a keyboard return key. Maybe. I know it'd be really cool, but this might be overboard if I put a little fake keyboard. So as you're typing, the keys are getting pressed. Would that be cool enough to spend the time to do? Or should I just let you type on your own keyboard? You know? Maybe I'll just let you type. Alright, let's see what this looks like. Programming. So let's first open the mini game again. Oh. Oh, is this... I have this separate. Okay, okay. Maybe I should probably put this inside the mini game, now that I think about it. What's in here? Yeah. Yes, I should put this inside there. I don't know why I have it separate. Yes. Let us put this inside of this. There we go. Much better. It's like fireproofing your pillow. It's just a, yeah. Yeah, I mean, that's my point. It's like mountain lions. Very dangerous, you know. I better have some mountain lion traps around my house. Just in case. It's like, there's no mountains in Michigan. Well, what if it's a pet? You know, somebody has a mountain lion as a pet. What if the zoo's coming? And there's mountain lions in the zoo, you know, the traveling zoo. It doesn't make sense to me. Asinine is what I say. Yeah, okay. So let's turn the minigame on with a magic engage class. There we go. And then these should not be showing. Good. Then we got this. I would like to put the programming subject in here, but I guess I can't do that. So let's just do this. Okay, so the image, we need to give some style. We'll do width. Oh, let's do height. We'll do 90 vertical height. Great. Okay, yeah, I see what's happening now. Okay. So when this minigame is finished, yeah, I need to wrap all this. Where is it? Yeah, I need to wrap all this. So let's... Ooh, I can't wrap the content though. Okay, looks like I'm just gonna have to hide them. Unless I put this bisecting location crap in the... No. It has to be different per minigame. That's Yeah, that's category level. You put lasers all over your house just in case zebras start stealing my mashed potatoes. Hey, always be prepared. What is it? That's the Boy Scouts. Always be prepared. Alright, well, let's hide this. And by hide, I mean technically delete. Okay. So we have our little thing. We will have the image right here. And we are going to... That's already center. Let's make sure this goes to the right. Float right. Okay. Let's put a background white. Let's put padding 1 rem. And let's put a border of 1 pixel solid. Light blue. Let's do 4 pixels. That is not the light blue I want, but I'll change that. And we need a border radius of 4 pixels. Very pretty. I guess I could put a little box shadow on there too. Box shadow. 5 pixel, 5 pixels, 5 pixels, 5 pixels. CD, CD, CD. That's my default for box shadows, and then I fuck around with it later. I actually don't mind that too much. That's fine. And yeah, let's go in a little bit. Let's go a little bit bigger. And then let's actually change this opacity. And we'll go, let's do actually black with lower opacity. Yes, much better. Okay. Very good. And then this, kind of want to just be right in the middle. So to do that, this is float right. Let's go float left. Very good. Let's obviously the input did not work. Size 30 didn't do shit, so. Oh! I don't know what they were talking about when they said that. But here, we'll do height 100%. How's vertical height? Perfect. And does vertical line work? No, it doesn't. We'll do display flex. Very nice. And then we'll do line item center. That'll do. Justify center. Correct. Width 100%. And JK. We'll do like that. Alright. That's looking pretty good. Well, now this one's kind of messed up. Image. Let's go height small out. Let's go align self center. No. We'll just put a margin. No, I want this to be. What's going on here? Oh. No, yeah, because I have this display flex. Let's actually. I can put this display flex. Okay. Line item center. There we go. Justify space around. Okay. Now we got something working here. It's nice and responsive. We have the legend right here. We have the typing box. And nice, got one. Can we add? So what I can do is put a little output, and you can type a bunch of 1s and 0s, and then when you click return, it'll output the text. So you can see if you got it right or not. So let's actually, I'm gonna save the styling I just did so I don't lose it. And then I'm gonna add a little text box. So first off, we need minigame programming. which is inside minigame, correct? Alright, minigame programming. We got this junk. Come on, people. Alphabetical order, very important. You know why it's important to do all your styles in alphabetical order? Because when you're looking for a particular style through thousands of lines of SAS or CSS, you want to be able to find it quick. You can't be looking through and just reading every single line. You need to just go through it, and you know that if it's Z-index, it's at the bottom. If it's display, it's probably towards the top, you know. So, better for future devs, better for you, you know, especially when you're coming back and you're like, what the hell was I doing? All right. So let's do this one, which is input section. Input, wait, is that inside of minigame programming? It is, yes, yes, yes. After you're done with the game, you should make a ray trace enabled 3D renderer. What would that even do? Isn't ray trace for like putting things on videos? I don't even know how you would, what that would do. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. I don't think I need float anymore. Height is good, width is good. Yeah, alright. And then what's the other one I have? I have the image. Doop. Which is Ju. And we'll do image. I think there's only one image. Dum 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 da da dum. Alright, let's change this light blue to the light blue I like, which is brighter. It's just the next step from 2D. Oh. Just making a 3D game. Dude. If you want a badass 3D game in a web browser. I saw a guy, I played a demo of somebody who made Mario Kart 64 in React threads. So just using React. Let's see if I can find that. React threads Mario Kart. Where is it? Damn. See if I can find it. Where is it? Oh man, I might have to go look at my old Slack messages. Did they take it down? It should be pretty easy to find. Reddit? Is it from Reddit? No, this is not what I'm looking for. It was crazy. It was absolute nuts. Mario Kart 64 web page. Is it Mario Kart JS? Is that it? Might be this. Mario Kart. Oh, maybe I'm spelling cart wrong. Oh, it's from Vercel. This is it. Yes. This is all made in Next.js and React. Mouse and key. Confirm. And I'm using the cursor to steer. Like, this is crazy. And look when I go over a box. It's got the sound effects. It's got the jump effects. I should have just did fucking keyboard. Here, let me refresh this. Keyboard. And you can do it on mobile too. Here we go. See, and look, it gives you a banana. And you can boop. How do you shoot the banana? Maybe you can't. I think it's just showing you, like, the interaction to make banana. Oh, look, I went through the level. There's some bugs. Try and make this in WordPress. I mean, this is an insane amount of, like, web development programming. I mean, look at the tread marks. Just all the little interactions with the screen. Oh yeah, look. You can drift. And it changes color over time. And it boosts you. Come on. It's pretty freaking cool. And you can back up. Yeah. And they have a whole, somewhere. They have a whole, yeah. Like a breakdown of how it works. And the code. And I mean, this is pretty much it. It's all components. You can look at all the components. Here's the ground. This is the ground. And the particles for flames. And these are all just JSX files. This is all just React. You know? It's just crazy. So yeah, I mean, you can do some pretty cool ass stuff 3D wise. Let's see, does it mention the React part? Yeah, I saw a better like breakdown of what this is. Yeah, let's see, maybe this is it. Oh no, it's just the game. Yeah. Very cool though. Very advanced. And I tried to, like, I think I might make a mini game like that. Like a major 3D, really small 3D mini game or something. Just to add it one day, but yeah. There's too much in this game engine already that I need to finish. Oh, you fucking assholes. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die trying to kill gnats. But yeah. Very cool what you can do. Okay. Well, bummer we're having such a quiet day on Twitch today. You know, I really appreciate you being here, Indy. I don't know where everybody went. Haven't seen Game Doodle in a while. And I know Dak Dude was on earlier. But yeah, it's weird. Sometimes it's super slow. Not helping the average viewer rate. That's for sure. Not that that technically really matters. But, you know, I just like progressing. I'm a progressor, an ambition progressor. Very ambitious dude. Alright, let's try this again. We'll go minigame. Display. Uh-oh. Well, so far not good. What happened to my styles? Minigame programming. You should be flex. What happened? Minigame programming inside. Oh, did I not add engage? I did not add engage, that's why. My bad. There we go. Okay, perfect. So, now we got that. We need to... Are you fuckers landing on my arm? Let's go ahead and do the text field. So, this is where it's going to output. We'll do it down here. Div clash. Programming output. And we'll just make this an empty div that we will style. We'll put a little placeholder. Answer outputs here. Cool. And let's just do a little bit of styling for answer output. Did I already forget what I called it? Programming output. Son of a bitch. Okay, let's do color. Do like a light gray, so it looks kind of like a placeholder. And then we'll do height. 100%, width 100%. Then we'll do a max width of 500 and a max height of 300. Yeah, let's see what that looks like right off the bat. And I actually need to put display none and turn this into display flex. Yeah, only if the minigame is complete. So we're gonna have to add that whole functionality. Minigame. Nope. Wrong one. God damn it. Minigame programming. And then we'll do engage. Cool. Get rid of you and you for now. Okay. So this is obviously backwards. In the input section. Let's see what we got. Input section. Pop. So what I want to do is make this. Okay. Oh, we need to add flex wrap. So why is it backwards? Oh, it's not. Good. That should not be 100%. Alright, SpFX. Flex wrap. And then we'll put... Wait. Yes. It's inside the input section, right? Yes. So we'll put that in there. And then the actual input, let's do width 70%. And then button, we'll do width 28%. And then that should put it right next to it. And then let's make sure this has a background of white. Actually, should we do dark mode output? Yeah, let's do dark mode. So we'll do charcoal, dark gray. That is not dark enough. Black. Let's do black and make it a little lighter. Actually, let's just copy this. What? Yes, you can control anything you want, PHP. What are you thinking? Yeah, I'll do that later. Alright, perfect. We'll match that. And the color... Oh, that's not what I want. That's for placeholder, but what about when it's outputted? I guess we'll just copy my IDE colors. How about that? What the hell? What is it doing? Why is it all red? What am I looking at? It's all screwed up. Oh, okay. That's not what I was trying to do. That's weird. It worked the first time. Alright, fine. Let's just do it by hand. Yellowish. Right. That'll work. Cool. See what that looks like. Let's do a border. 2 pixels, solid. And we'll do this kind of gray color. Or is that white? What are you? Now everything's gonna be fucking red. I think it's kind of like a light gray. We'll go really light. And then let's do border radius. 4 pixels. Alright. And you can't get away without a little bit of padding. Cool. What's happening? Why aren't my messages going through? I don't know, man. You go quiet for a bit and then I just get yelled at. Alright, let's see if this works. She sent like 10 messages. Oh shit. I am sorry. You know, I'm gonna restart so that the minigame comes back so I don't have to keep like manually adding engage. Ooh, what happened here? JSON got outputted wrong. Is this from my new minigame stuff? Maybe. Shouldn't it? It should be empty if there's no minigames. Minigames. Oh. Yeah, but that should only work. Oh, shoot. What the hell is this? Explore minigames. I never created and get explore minigames. Wait, what? How did I not do that? Oh, no. I forgot. Yeah. I made it so you don't have to do that anymore. Whoops. Yeah, let's go back. That's correct. You just add that now. Huh. So is that not outputting correctly? Maybe position's wrong. Sir, please don't flex your box. I don't know. Everybody's on the fucking grid kick. And whatever. Maybe it's better. I just really understand the way flex works. So it's easier for me to style that way. I mean, I get it does. It's not as performant, there are a lot of calculations the browser has to make with like width and height and, you know, positioning and stuff. So it kind of slows down the page render, I guess, but I like it. When something makes sense to me, it just like I'd rather use it than try to figure out how to do it a different way. That is my lazy brain. Alright, what the hell is the error? Let's actually find out. Because we did header U. What caused this? A lot of captchas. What the fuck? What's going on? Yeah, what is the error though? It's the output of this. So what is this? See, it's 200, but the response is wrong. Wait, what? Why is it outputting? Oh, this is my stupid plugin. Ah. Disable the plugin. What am I thinking? This is my Twitch plugin getting outputted in the HTML. I guess I should have looked if it was Orbem order chatter. I guess I should have checked if it was part of the oh, what the fuck? Part of an HTTP call or a post call or a get call or something. How did I get all the way over here? I haven't even collected my badge yet. Did you answer my question earlier? You don't remember. Which question? I probably didn't see it. The question was, what did you have for dinner? Oh, no. I didn't answer. I had Wendy's. Actually. Not a lot of it, but Wendy's. Which was pretty good. Why is my image still there? Why does that happen? That is a bug I will have to find out. Oh, fuck you. Oh, I hate this. Yeah, I like Wendy's. I like Wendy's because you can get shit that's not just fast food. Like I can get a salad, a baked potato, you know, I can get like different food there. Oh my god. Scoozy. Which is very nice, because I get bored eating the same crap over and over. Yes, I do. I wonder if people watch the stream on my website, if it counts as a view. Or if that's considered like not a view because you're not logged in. It's probably not a view. Yeah, I'm guessing it's not a view. But you can watch people without logging in anyways, without logging in. Yeah, now I'm not sure. What the fuck? Don't mind me. There we go. Interesting.
Shayna Rayner just followed.
Hello, Shayna Rayna. Welcome. What were we doing? Oh yeah. I gotta finish and get this, get the mission so I can do this mini game. I should not have done that. Kind of screwed up everything I just wanted to do. Damn it. I gotta go back. I keep forgetting that you can't skip the cutscene or else I don't get the extra players. Womp womp. Yeah, right. Oh, that's not good. The fire didn't go away. Suing Twitch. All right. Why is the fire still here? What did I screw up? Oh. Okay. Well, let's do this on my own. And let's change to John and drag this. Okay. Alright, now I can do this. Pop. Alright. Look at that cool IDE box. Great. Now I can practice this. Minigame programming. Let's get rid of Jew. Yeah. Jew. Okay. We're getting there. We're getting there. Only problem we have now. Look at the pic you sent. Which one you just could? Show me. That is harassing. I don't like that. Please stop harassing me. Okay, cool. So this is where it'll output. I'll type in here. I'll be like, I need the instructions too. The actual thingy doodad, which is up here for some reason. Why are you way up here? probably like top 0. No? Mission relative. Top 0. Huh. Why is it all up there? Dash weird. If I do absolute. Top 0. No. Still kind of up there. What is this? Is this not position? Oh, yeah, see, this is position fixed. So what if I also make this fixed? Top 0. What is this doing? Oh, does this go beyond? Maybe. Height is auto. Guess there's a lot of stuff in there now. It's probably just getting overflowing. Alright. That's fine. I mean, not super fine. I'm gonna have to figure this out. Yeah. I mean, I guess we could try. Whoa. That was a major lag. There we go. The streamer was saying that Twitch was flagging me as a possible harasser, so I asked him to show me. Oh, okay. That's funny. So maybe we'll do margin top. I mean, this won't be very... Yeah, good. Yeah, that's kind of weird. Okay. So I think what I need to do... I definitely don't want to do a bunch of... I need to make this legend smaller. Definitely. I think it's too big. So if we do make the height smaller. Let's get rid of this craziness. This. I think that's still pretty legible. What do you think? I think it is. Maybe even smaller. That should be pretty easy to read. And then let's figure out, why is this so big? I feel like it's just taking the full height. So maybe we need to do height equals 100%. And then scale it back or something. No. Yeah, maybe something like that. There we go. Now we have the little instructions. So let's do that. Something smaller. So we'll do height, 75 vertical height. And that will get smaller as you make this smaller. So still pretty good. Where is it? Programming. This? No, wait. Where am I setting height? Minigame programming. Input section? No. Did I just... Oh, okay. Height. What did I say? 80? 75? Okay, so that'll help with that. And then the image itself, I was making what? The image is... Oh. Oh, okay. 68. Okay. You have to get better at CSS. You suck. Should make a memes channel in the server. Oh yeah, I should. That'll be fun. Well, let's make that the last thing I do. New channel. Boop. Memes. Create a space for organized discussions. Yeah, text works. Boop. For all your memes. Oh, I put memes. Memes. There we go. Do it. Meme it up. Okay. I'm going to cut out. I think we made some great progress. I think we have a good starting point to finish this programming thing. We'll get the spacing tightened up and we'll just make it function. So I'll type in the words, I think, based off of this. And maybe I'll put the return bar at the bottom so we can have some more width. But I think it'll be good. That's good. That's a good picture. And then the output will go here, which would be cool. And honestly, it'd be cooler if I put the input inside of here. And I just use this as the input and then output it in the same box. So I think I want to do that. I want to get rid of this like dumb input return and put the input in here so you just hit return and it outputs it, right? Let me see. Breaking the law. I don't appreciate that. All right, Indy. Really appreciate you being on, man. Being the Lone Ranger today and hanging out. But yeah, I'll catch you in tomorrow's stream. We'll finish this programming minigame and then we'll get to the good stuff. We need one more cutscene and that will lead us to the boss battle. And then we can work on the boss battle and then get to Orbem eventually. So, all right, man. Have a great night. Thanks everybody who's watching this in the future. Why weren't you here? Boo. But that's fine. I'll catch you in the next one. All right.